Hello, my name is Kimatina. This screencast will show you how to access your classroom settings using the gear icon. So after you create your class, if you click on the gear icon at the top right, you will go into your class settings. In this area, you can add class details about your page. And if you scroll down to the general section, this is where your class code can be found. This is just one area where your class code can be found. It can be displayed here for your students. It can be copied. You can reset it or you can disable it as well. On your stream page, this is very important. This is up to you, but you can certainly disable students from posting and commenting to your stream by selecting this option here. Only teachers can post and comment. If you want students to collaborate with each other, you can allow them just to comment on a post. And the first one here, students can post and comment, will allow students to create posts and comment as well. So the top option here allows students to have the most power of commenting in Google Classroom. In the beginning, I usually recommend to have the option of only teachers can post and comment until you go over digital etiquette and digital citizenship with the students. Afterwards, that you can change that appropriately. Once you change any of those settings, you can go down to the grading section, and you can calculate your overall grade by selecting total points. And you can add gradebook categories for a gradebook here as well. Once that's all done, click Save, and you will return back to your stream page. I hope you found that screencast helpful.